You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. I'll always love you and make you happy, and nothing else could come between. But if you leave me to love another, you'll have shattered all of my dreams. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Hello, Sophia. Ayan, happy birthday. Ang tanda mo na. Joke lang. Ayan, more blessings to come and ingat kayo palagi ng family mo. Ayan, happy 18th birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Hi Sophia, happy birthday. Since you've got it all, brainy, creative, talented, and pure heart, ang wish ko lang talaga sa'yo is you stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless you. I wish you to have a successful life as well. Lahat tayo. Happy birthday.
Hi Sophia, gulat ka na. I just want to greet you a happy 18th birthday. And, I just wish you good health. And I hope na hindi ka masyadong stressed. Even though malapit na tayong graduate. Ayan, I pray na makapag-graduate na tayong lahat. And hopefully, even though imposible pa kasi madami pang problema dyan, madami pang problema dito, ang daming problema sa mundo. Pero sana magkita-kita na tayo soon. And yeah, andito lang ako if you want to chat me or ask me something. Baka meron kayong gustong malaman. Pero yun. Bye! God bless! Happy birthday! Mwah!
Happiest 18th birthday, Sophia! Welcome to Legality! So, sana ma-enjoy mo itong napaka-special na araw sa buong taon na to, which is your birthday. Happy birthday! So, yung mga wish ko para sa'yo is nasa isang something. Nandun siya lahat kasi medyo marami, so napahaba. Ibasahin mo na lang doon, sasend ko na lang siya sa'yo. So, I wish you all the best in life. May you receive more blessings because you deserve it all. And thank you sa lahat-lahat sa mga binigay mo, sa memories, sa friendship natin. Heart. And yun lang. So, stay safe, take care, and God bless sa'yo and sa buong fam mo. Happy birthday!
Hi Ate Pia, happy birthday! I wish you a really good day kahit ganito yung sitwasyon natin, and thank you for being so helpful to me kapag need ko ng syempre, need ko ng help sa mga church activities and everything else. And stay awesome, keep on singing, love you!
Hi Pia! So happy 18th birthday sa'yo. So una sa lahat, gusto magpasalamat sa ating Panginoong Diyos kasi hanggang ngayon nakakasama pa din kita. And ayun nga, sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo despite the happenings in our surroundings. Wow! Despite na sa mga nangyayari ngayon na may pandemic, ganyan. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo kasi this is your day, this is the day that you turn 18, and welcome to Kadiwa. So, ayun, welcome to Kadiwa. Kadiwa ka na din. Kasama ka na sa amin. Then, ayun nga, good luck sa studies mo and know that if you need any help, you can message me anytime. You can contact me anytime. And ayun nga, Pia. I love you, Pia. Miss na kita i-hug. Ayun, happy birthday ulit.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Pia. Wish you good health at sana maging successful ka sa studies mo at lagi kang magpapaabait, lagi kang susunod sa utos ng iyong mga magulang at higit sa lahat, maging masigla ka sana sa iyong mga pagtupad. Happy birthday ulit!
Yeah, good girl. May gulo din ako eh. Siyempre, ang pakirma sa video mo. Anyway, ano ba meron? Oo nga pa. Happy 18th birthday, Ate Sophia. Well, wish ko lagi sa'yo ay mag-ingat ka lagi. Lalo sa pag-uwi sa Pilipinas, pag-aaral ng sa-college mo, ano? Alam ko naman eh, matalino kang bata at magaling kang bata. Kasi pag mag-aaral, magaling na matalino pa. Walang anak sa advice na ba dati ng grade 11 eh? Sino ba yun? Yung pogi pa rin. Anyway, so, siyempre kakalimutan pagtapatin yung tungkulin, yan dapat unahin natin sa lahat. Alright, patuloy kang maging masunurin, mabait na bata para sa iyong magulang. O kung kakalimutan, nandito lang ang iyong survey. Yes, happy birthday, Ate Zubia. Tampak yun.
Lagi say happy birthday to Ate Pia. Ay. Say happy birthday to Ate Pia. Ay. This is... Happy birthday, Ate Pia. Ay. Siya, yung nagkakala sa'yo ng bata ko to. Maggie, say happy birthday to Ate Pia. I miss you, Ate Pia. Happy birthday, Ate Pia. God bless you always. And always make your parents proud. 18 ka na, dalaga ka na. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy legal age, Ate P. Ang wish ko sa'yo, high grades and good health. Ingat ka palagi. Yan lang. Happy birthday!
Hello, Ate Pia. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana kayong aalis dyan. Sana umuwi na kayo dito. Mag-stay lang kayo sa bahay nyo para hindi po kayo mahawakan ng COVID. I love you. Bye-bye! Happy birthday, Ate Pia!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Pia. Happy birthday, Pia.
Happy birthday, Pia. Ingat kayo dyan. God bless you. I miss you. See you soon. Bye! Go! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Pia. More birthdays to come. We love you. Ingat ka lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Pia! Happy birthday ulit! Happy birthday! Sa iyong halam, sa iyong pagkain. Happy birthday! Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Happy birthday! God bless! Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Si Man.
Summer at the high school when we first met, we make out on your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday we got matching tattoos. You used to steal your parents' liquor and climb to the roof. Talk about the future like we had a clue. Never planned on one day that I'll be losing you. In another life, you will be my girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world. In another life, I will make you stay, so I don't have to say that you're the one that got away, the one that got away.
Happy birthday, Pia!
Happy birthday, Ate Pia. Mag-aral ka mabuti. Ayan, lagi mag-iingat dyan. Mahal kayo ng Tito Anday.
Happy 18th birthday, Pia. See you soon. I love you.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 소피야. 생일 축하합니다. Pinag-aralan ko ng 3 araw yan. Kaya magpakabait ka. 생일 축하, Sophia.
Happy birthday, Ate Pia. We love you.
Happy birthday!
Anong handa mo kay Pia? Shh, pakita mo. Yung lechon.
Pia, pinaglitsyon ka namin. Happy birthday.
Alexa, sing happy birthday.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Fia. Happy birthday to you.
3 cheers.
Hip, hey. Hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray. Happy birthday, Ate Fia. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Pia. We're so glad God made you. Ang wish namin sa'yo, we hope you'll have the successful career, including professional singing career. Always remember, you have your family, your titos and titas to support you. We love you and we miss you. See you.
Hello, Pia. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best on your birthday. More blessing to come. You're a grown-up girl now. 18 ka na. Sana maging masunurin sa magulang. Tandaan mo, ang masunurin sa magulang ay pinagpapala. Alam ko, marami kang tungkulin. Yakapin mo yan, ipagpatuloy mo, sapagkat yan tayo pagpapalain. Love you, miss you, hope to see you here in Pinas. Happy birthday ulit!
Mama Pia!
Mama Pia, happy 18th birthday! Always know na love ka ni Tita Weng. Mula maliit ka pa, lagi pa tayong nag-aaway nung maliit ka. Tawag mo sa akin, Rorenang pangit. Ngayon, Tita Weng, Tita Pretty na. I love you so much, Mama Pia. And sana ma-remind ka sa song na kakantahin ko kung gaano kita ka-love mula nung baby ka pa hanggang ngayon. Let me tell you about the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees and the moon up above and this thing called love. I love you, Mama Pia. Happy birthday. You've grown na magandang girl. Ngayon, lady ka na. Maganda, mabait, masunurin, mapagmahal na bata. And I thank God for your life, Mama Pia. Continue your good works lang. And I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Pia! Happy birthday, Ate Pia!
Happy birthday, Pia!
Ikaw, Scarlett, your turn! Hi! Hi! Happy birthday, Ate Pia! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ate Pia!
Hi, Mama
Sana ang buhay ay walang dulo o hangganan. Sana'y wala ng taong mahirap o mayaman. Sana'y iisa ang kulay. Sana'y wala ng away. Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin ng bawat isa sa mundo. Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin. Sana'y magkatotoo. Sana'y laging magbigayan. Sana'y laging magmahalan. Sana ang tao'y di nagugutom o nauuhaw. Sana'y hindi na gumagabi o umaaraw. Sana'y walang tag-init. Sana'y walang taglamig. Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin ng bawat isa sa mundo. Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin. Sana'y magkatotoo. Sana'y laging magbigayan. Sana'y laging magmahalan. Alam mo yung part na yan? Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin ng bawat isa sa mundo. Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin. Sana'y magkatotoo. Sana'y laging magbigayan. Sana'y laging magmahalan. Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin ng bawat isa sa mundo. Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin. Sana'y magkatotoo. Okay. Para naman sa song number 2 ko, ito naman yung awitin ni IU. Joke lang. Hindi ako marunong mag-Korean eh. Yay! Yay! Mama Pia! Mama Pia! Mama Pia! Mama Pia! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wish you all so much. Enjoy your birthday, Mama Pia.
Padala niyo yung handa, padala niyo.
Love you. Bye-bye.
I just keep him satisfied.